Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain the points table about the Cricket World Cup tournament. So how many games they played and how many are the winnings and how many losses that I'm going to explain in this video. But this data was collected up to 29 matches only from the Cricinfo website, and I customized and I prepared my own data set. So if anyone want the data set to practice, so please subscribe my channel and put a comment in the comment box and send me an email to sirialgorithms@gmail.com, so that I'm going to share you the data frame, the data as well as source code. So please walk through with me. Let me open the Jupyter notebook so that I will show you the data. Please wait. So the points table. Now I'm going to import the necessary libraries. So import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP, import visualization libraries matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT, import seaborn as SNS. Now I'm going to load the data set. So df point table is equal to ed dot read underscore excel Cricinfo data sheet name points table dfpt. Here is the data set. Yeah, so the data. So the first column is the team name. So total 10 teams, so total matches, how many matches they played, and out of those matches, how many wins and how many losses, and total points. So if they win one match, they are going to get like a 2 points. So India won all 6 matches because this data was up to 29 matches only. So in this 29 up to 29 matches only, so India played total 6 matches and all matches they won. So the points table is the points is total 12, and this is like a net run rate is 1.405. First, I'm going to extract only some part of the information out of this data frame. So the important columns I'm taking out using of the empty dictionary. So dict1 is equal to empty dictionary. So for I in, what is the data frame name here? DFPT. So dfpt dot iter tuples of. So I'm extracting the information from the data frame. So the first one I'm taking as a key value. Key here it is I of 0. That means I of 1. That means I'm taking like a team name as a key. So here the index number, serial number is 0, and the column number 1 is the team names. So I'm taking like a I of 1 means this is the key, the team name, and values I'm going to take like a how many matches they won and how many they lost. So I'm taking like a column number, that means index number. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm taking as a value format. So I of 3, comma, I of 4. I'm extracting this is as a value format. Now I'm writing like a print of bit 1. So now you can see I extracted. So team name is the key and value is nothing but how many matches they won and how many they lost. That's the information I extracted from this. So now I'm going to draw a visualization, a pie chart, pie. I'm going to show you a nice picto form. So how to draw a pie chart? So I'm taking like a for I comma j in dict1 dot items of, here I'm taking like a labels is equal to wins losses. I'm taking like a losses. Next, numbers is equal to, I'm taking like a j of. So here two iterators I taken. I means it is a key and j means it is like a value. So j of 0 means how many wins and j of 1 means how many loss. So they lost the games. So j of 0 comma j of 1. Now I'm going to write like a print of, just I'm writing like a I, that means that is the team name it is going to write. Now I'm going to draw the PLT graph. So PLT dot figure of, figure size I'm taking like a width is 6 and height is 6. PLT dot pi of, so now you can take the data here. So I'm passing like the data here, it is numbers. That means I'm taking the values here, how many wins and how many losses. So numbers is my data here. So numbers comma labels is equal to, I'm taking like the labels to this is nothing but here the labels wins and losses. So I'm taking like a labels comma auto percentage. I'm going to take auto percentage is default percentage dot 2f percentage plt dot um, plt dot access, that I'm taking as a plt dot access is equal to equal. Next plt dot title of this pie chart, that is nothing but I. Now plt dot show off. So here you can see the graph clearly. This is a pie chart. So India played total 6 matches and 100% win. That means that there is no loss in the games. So all they won. So total 6 matches, all 6 matches they won the games and there is no loss. That's why 100%. And South Africa, they played total 6 matches. So one of the match they lost the one match and only 5 matches they won. That's why 83% wins and 16% losses. So New Zealand, if you want to see how many matches they played. You can see here the list, the total matches here, and this is the wins and these are the losses. So Australia played total, New Zealand played total 6 matches and only won 4 matches and two loss of the game. So you can see that statistics here. And so the points table here. So this is the New Zealand data. So they won only 4 matches and 2 matches they lost. So 33% is the loss and 66.67% won the matches. So same like rest of the teams also, Australia, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, all the statistics details are here. So if you see the England 83% losses and only 1 match they won. So let's see the England statistics. So total 6 games they played and only 1 match they won and 5 matches they lost. That's why the statistics is 83% loss and only 16% they won the match. Thank you. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you all.